So, Muvhango is coming to an end.
Okay.
Hey.
Sure. Reconnaissance.
And it's a sad face for us as actors, the production. And I know it's the same for our viewers and South African people who support us across the borders of our country.
Yeah, ne.
From us, umndeni wethu waseMuvhango, we just want to say thank you.
Yeah, Mbiduziko Baba, Pezi, we just want to celebrate how far we've come and hope for the best for the future. So, thank you.
Thank you for going uphill and downhill with us. Thank you for sharing the emotions with us. Thank you for the support.
I want to thank the SABC for carrying us in their platform. Basho chivenda chiri chisapeli chatura. Ronga na Muvhango lwendo logumanepa. Roliwa zwinji utikedziwa. Khadwa purubona na fora dobona naone. Naladza bathu.
It is what it is. Thank you.
Sorry.
For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel at V Pride Multimedia Studio. Like, ring the bell and share.